How to make money. The startup way. Find a product or idea that is popular but not yet perfect. Buy one and study it in detail. Find out how to improve it. Make a prototype. Show the prototype to 100 people. Remake it until people start pre-ordering it. For example, on Kickstarter. Find a co-founder who can build it with you. Split with your co-founder 50%. Use vesting. Find a person with a lot of money, an investor. Give her 10% of your company. Make the product. Sell your product to 1 million people. Get more money. List your company on stock exchange. Your investor, your co-founder, and you all make money when you sell shares there. Follow CFOD to learn more.